So Paul, what have you decided on?
Okay, so this is a sector that we like because emerging market telecommunications, we know that these companies are not really competing with an old established fixed line business. There's virgin territory there, countries like Nigeria, Ghana and others to get involved with. So of all of them, for me anyway, MTN looks the most attractive. Yes, there's the concern about Iran, but the market seems to be looking through that at the moment. It's loving the fact that the dividend yield picked up so significantly in recent years. And a couple of years ago, they were talking about deals in India and everywhere, and now suddenly they decided no more. We can actually start returning money to our shareholders. There's also the fact that the smartphone penetration is rising and 4G LTE is coming. So the general picture would be a little bit less money from voice business, but lots more money from data and data-related applications and people online doing Facebook and Twitter and what have you. So yes, it's a stock we like. We've loved it a long time. It's fairly elevated, but it still looks as though within our hot stocks portfolio at Global Trader, we can get involved in this one, have a position which we sort of sit on. It's got a December year end, so maybe early in January there'll be some excitement.
The question though, I mean, given the fact that we've seen this nice run this year, where would you pick it up at? Would you wait for a pullback, or is this still a good entry level?
I think it's something that you could wait for a pullback, notwithstanding the fact that during December there's some bonus payments. People have got extra cash. They may look out for a new device. They may look to sign new cellular contracts, a new iPad deal, and that sort of Christmas cheer might find its way to MTN. They choose December year end on purpose because they want to include that last bit of spend at the end of the period. I have to say that it is a difficult choice amongst the stocks that we discussed today, but MTN stands out simply because it's got the most potential in terms of future income, and it's not limited to a particular geographical region. It's not tied down to currency per se, and they have been very innovative in their revenue stream.
Interesting, classic case of benefit of geographic diversification.
Yeah, and one more thing we haven't discussed, and that is that they're doing these deals with American Tower where they're selling, half of the network and leasing it back and so on. That's got the potential to unlock capital, which frees up their ability to pay dividends and what have you.
Yeah.
So just to point to what's going on behind us there, that's the followhotstocks.com page where people need to go and sign up. Then in the course of the afternoon, they'll get alerts with regard to what the show is this evening, as well as receiving this video clip of us talking about the stock of the day. And at the same time, we actually don't just talk. We go and we actually enter the trade on the Global Trader platform. We'll actually go in and work out how many MTN shares we want to have and get them in, put them in the portfolio. And then on the Friday show, which is tomorrow obviously, then people will be able to see how we're doing on that position in addition to the other positions we've had in the portfolio for the week.